Okay, so I'm doing this tutorial just for you. I'm pretty tired. So first you want your paper, of course, as an object, and you will have to add a box collider and put it as isTrigger. Then you can adjust it like how you want. Doesn't really matter. Then you click Add Component. You can just type whatever you want your script to be called in new script and create an add. And then before you go into a script, you need to right click and UI and image. Then do it again and do it with text. So yeah, you can just put in your image, and with your text, just type in here whatever you want it to say, easy to read. And yeah, then you can go into here and you can adjust it to how you want it to look. Probably, no, I don't have that. Yeah, just adjust it so it is how you want it to be. Then you can go into a script. This is my script. And yeah, I can try to explain what's going on, but I'm not that good at coding. But you can just copy it. So this is so we get the box here, so it knows what the image is, and this is to get the message panel. I'm gonna sneeze. Never mind. And then you have the public bool action, which is when you want, like when you go up to the paper and press E, it will do something. It's the action. Then you need to public void start, and then message panel set active false. So when you start up your game, you won't see the message panel. That wouldn't be that good. And then you just close it off. Public void update. So that's every frame. And then you say if input get key down, key code, and you can put, E, F, G, whatever. And if action true, message panel false, action false, and node image enable true. Because you go up, if you press the key, then you don't want to see the text anymore. You don't want the action to be, you don't want to be able to press E again, but you want to see the image. So this is the action itself of you pressing a button and something happening. Here we have void on trigger into collider other, if other compare tag player. So if we go into the collider, the message panel is going to be true and the action as well, so you can see the text and you can press, in my case, E. You'll be allowed to do that. If you go out again, so it's just the same code except on trigger exit, and the message panel should be false, action false, and node image false, of course. And then, yeah, that's it. Oh, yeah, and Unity engine that you need to have this as well. Just to show what it does. It's not a good game I have. It's just something I made for fun. So let's just go over here. Just take this. E to read. Boom. You can't, I haven't done it so you can press E to get out. You just have to move away. I mean, that's fine for me. So yeah, it's not a good tutorial. I just quickly made it for you. So yeah, I hope you can use it. I'm not gonna edit it or anything, so yeah, just raw footage for you. I forgot to mention one thing. So with your paper here, which the object which have the script on it, you should have these 3 new boxes, and you will have to take your UI image and drag it onto the node image. And the message panel, just drag your text, UI text, onto the message panel, of course. And then you can use the same script for other paper or other nodes. So just drag the script, make a new UI image, and just drag the new UI image onto the node image. But you can still use the same UI text, the same message panel, of course. And yeah, the layer should have to be on UI, but I think that's default. Excuse me. So yeah, I hope it helped.